Let me show you my new digital calendar. I'm loving how easy this is to use and how great it is for managing my busy family life. Let me talk you through all the different things that you can do with this. So let's take a look at the calendar first. So when you first get it, the best thing to do is sync up your calendar. So you can have this for all your family members. So my husband has his synced up, and then I've got all the kids. You can see here, you can color coordinate everyone in your family, which makes it so easy to see. For example, you can see this one where we're going for lunch. It's the whole family. So we've got all the colors, which I love. This keeps us so organized, and it's really easy to add things just by clicking this button here. So I can add a event. And then I can put the correct person who's doing it, the time, the date, and whether I want it to repeat. The app is really easy to use. It's super convenient on the go to be adding things to your calendar, see what you've got to be doing, pull up your grocery list, any notes you've got. You can see your photos and you can add them from here. So yeah, really good app. Next up, we have the task feature. You can see here, I've got my 2 children and they've got some tasks that they need to do. Once they've completed it, they can come and press it themselves. And you can hear that. That means it's done. So once they've done all their tasks, they're allocated some rewards, the all important rewards. So when the kids are working through their tasks, they're working towards some certain things. So for my youngest, he's after the new Mario game. My eldest is after a new cricket bat. So once they've got their stars and they've worked towards it, then they're gonna get their reward. This is a really great way for kids to visualize it, to see, and to have an input and want to do their homework. I say want loosely, but it definitely helps and motivates them. The meal section is absolutely amazing. You can see here we've got the week. We're on Thursday at the moment, and you can program what you're going to have for every single one of your meals. I tend to stick with lunch and dinner. We're very much a cereal and toast family for breakfast, so I don't bother with that. But look how good this is. If I just click on snack, it already comes pre-programmed with so many different recipes and things. So let's go ahead and click desserts and drinks. And let's say we're going to have the baked cinnamon apple. If I click here, I can see exactly what I need to do. It's got all the instructions. I'm going to go ahead and add it. And I'm going to add to snack. And you can see it comes up there. And the beauty then is this. If I click here, it automatically adds everything I need to my shopping list to create all these recipes. I think it's absolutely incredible. As well as being programmed with all these great ideas, you can also add your own recipe, add the photos, the steps, and everything you need, so you can create and store all your favorites. I'm going to quickly run you through some of the other features. So here we've got photos. You add the photos using the app. It's really easy to do. You've got a list feature here, and you can tick off the things as and when you do it. And then here, this is quite cool. This is anniversaries, so things that are reoccurring. So you can just add them into the calendar. But if you add them here, it will give you the set reminder a few days before, for example, for a wedding anniversary. And then if we click here, you can just see you've got some other things. So you've got your recipes. You've got a timer here, which I think is super convenient. And then you also have, if I can get it back up, sleep. So if you want it to turn off, like let's say 8 o'clock in the evening to go into sleep mode, you can just schedule that. Just to show you how quickly everything syncs, you can see here I've got an example diary entry, and you can see I'm going to click save on the app. And there it is, it's just appeared, so it happens immediately. Okay, so just a few final thoughts on the digital calendar and photo frame. Oh, you can see there, we've just gone to the photos. How nice does that look? So I really like this. I think it works very, very well. Even if you're not tech savvy, you're going to be absolutely fine with this. It is not technical. It's very easy to use. The app is easy, and this itself is easy just to use to touchscreen. You can have it landscape or portrait, and you can have it on your wall, or you can have it like I've got it just with the little clasp on, so you can pop it anywhere down like that. Very easy, so you can move it around. I think it's brilliant. I think it does exactly what I want it to do. I love the menu feature and meal planning to try and get me a bit more organized. So overall, I think this is a great buy.